Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited about this package. It's not just any package. This is from my boy Mike over at CanadianRC96. He was nice enough to send me some awesome 3D printed parts. He showed me a couple sneak previews of it, and I'm excited to open this up and see what's inside. So come along for the ride as we check out some RC goodies. Mike's really cool. He and I have been talking a lot about RCs, and if you haven't seen his channel, please check it out. The trucks that he usually runs are very similar to mine, and he does tons of freestyle tricks on skate parks and stuff like that, as well as ramps. So hit his channel up, but let's see what he got us. Whoa, wow. Nice. A bright red stand. Okay, so this is all 3D printed stuff. That's cool. It rotates. Nice. Oh, for Harold. Okay. Giving Harold these. Oh, now I'm jealous. I hope I have some. All right, I do. Sweet. Okay, Harold's getting a hookup here. If you're watching, check it out. I love these things. The Arrma stock ones always break on me. Here, I'll just use this little stand right here, actually, to show you what I mean. You see, I can pretty much guarantee any car I pick, this is broken. So it's pretty cool that we've got some new, better colored ones to throw on here. I love the colors. Nice, look at that. Put something like that on there. It's beefier, looks better. So Mike's gonna be starting a store here. If you're liking these products, that might be something to pick up. All right, so got all these different colors. We got some more stuff here. I don't want to get, oh my God, look how many of these. Dude. Oh my God. Well, I got enough skids for the rest of my life. Big shout out to Mike, because look at that. Customized. ICRC83. These are gonna look sweet on the truck. Then we got a Send It one. Arrma. Oh my God. This is awesome. Big shout out to Mike. Thank you so much, man. This is awesome. And these things are sturdy too. These have a little bit of flex in them, and they're thick. They're definitely not gonna break, I don't think. These are gonna protect our body and make it look pretty awesome while it's doing it. Come together so far, as you can see here, and I realize now what the these flat pieces are, is they go on the back here, and you can put a nut on the back side to mount it, you know, top and bottom of the body there. So that's pretty cool. These colors I love. These could look good on the UDR or the Mojave, I bet. And EXB, we'll see. What? Tell me that does not look awesome. Perfect color for this truck. We got the Send It up here and the ICRC83. And then I had to put on the bumper too. Love that. So when the store's open, I'll let you know. Otherwise, start saving your money, and we're gonna help this guy out and hook up his store and hook up your trucks with some swag. So thanks again to Mike. Keep up the good work, buddy. See you in the next one.